I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Agent Call Center feature here in the PowerU platform. So I'm here on the main dashboard for Agent Call Center, and I can see here I can start a campaign, meaning I can have multiple phone numbers called, or I can just make a single call. Down here, the activity feed is where those calls will appear in any campaigns that I start. So first, I have to select a reason for the call. So either these are a list of expireds, or it's going to be a list of for sale by owners. So I'm going to be using an expired list, and I have a list here. This is just a demo list, but if you use any type of service for phone numbers for sale by owners or expired, you can just copy and paste that information into this template and save it as a CSV file and come over to upload it. So I'm going to upload that file. And as you can see, it's indicated that there's 3 contacts here. Now, there are some settings here. So I can set calling hours and calling days, and I can set retry rules. So if someone doesn't pick up or I get their voicemail, it's just a number of retries and how far to space those out. So I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to start my calls and agree there. And so now I just launched the campaign. So it's going to call those numbers. And as you can see, my campaign has launched. And as it makes contacts with those numbers, it will appear here. So as you could see, the same numbers from my spreadsheet, John Smith, John Jacob, and Johnny Smith, with their addresses and phone numbers, are now here. Since this is not going to reach anybody, because these numbers are fake, it will probably update to a status of invalid or unreachable, but this status will show you if the call is complete, what the result was. So if it was an appointment set, a voicemail, anything like that, and all the details in the appointment details will be here, and I can download a transcript. So since this campaign is still active because it's not reaching them, so it's still an active campaign, I'm gonna just let that run. Now, if I wanted to do this for a single call, I can do the same thing, and what takes place is all of your agent information is already here, and you can set the name of the person, first name, last name, their phone number, and their property address. And here's where you'll choose if it's an expired listing or for sale by owner. And once you click this call now button, it will deploy that single call. So 2 ways to have those contacts done. And the cool thing about this is that it doesn't have to wait for one call to finish to go to the next one. So all of the calls can be deployed all at the same time.